Hello and welcome to Mum Cooks. Today I'm going to be making a super quick, super easy caramel ice cream. So let's get started. The first thing I'm going to do is put 100 grams of sugar into my pan and we're going to leave this to melt down. So as you can see, that's a lovely golden colour. And we're going to turn the heat off. And I have here 40 grams of butter. In it goes. It's going to hiss and spit a bit. Give it a good stir. Then we're going to add 60 millilitres of cream. And that's our caramel sauce done. Okay, it's still foaming a little bit, so I'm going to pour it into a jug. And now I'm just going to put that into some cold water to cool down. So now onto the really simple no churn ice cream. We've got only 4 ingredients, 300 millilitres of cream. I'm going to use about 300 millilitres of condensed milk, a little drop of caramel essence and some vanilla essence. And all we do is put the cream first into the mixer. So as you can see, the cream is just starting to get nice and thick, and this is where we put in our condensed milk. Now for the flavourings. I'm going to put in about 2 teaspoons of vanilla essence and 1 of caramel. And give it all a good mix. That smells absolutely fantastic. Just starting to go nice and thick there. That's perfect. That's just what we want. So now it's time to layer it up. And all that's left now is to put it into the freezer until it's nice and firm. So it's been 24 hours. Let's see if this ice cream's ready. So there we go, a deliciously simple homemade caramel ice cream. How easy was that? One of those will do. Oh, I tell you what, that is good.